Hello dear friends, today I want to show you the KitLogger service and how it works. Let's launch a web browser and type kitlogger.net. Here is the KitLogger site. There are some pages such as the download page. You can download the KitLogger agent on this page for different platforms: Windows, Mac OS, Android and Linux. On the pricing page, you can see the information about the prices of the KitLogger service. The basic account is free, the standard account is very cheap, and the professional account has more features. On the demo page, you can see how to get started and register an account. What we see on the main page of our dashboard, some elements of the log page, and elements of the screenshots page and other analytics. On the help page, you can see some chapters about the general questions, about the encryption, about KitLogger monitoring agents for Windows and other platforms. On the blog page, you can see news, and on the About page, you can see the information about the company. The first thing that new customers should do is log in or create a new account. Here we have a register link. Here we can insert our email address and password and confirm the password. We insert our name and time zone. We should prove that we are not a robot. On this page, we can enable account encryption, and we should agree with the terms of service. After this, you should click Register. After the registration, a confirmation letter arrives at our email address, and we should confirm our registration there. I already have an account, and I will not register a new one. Now I click Login and insert my email address and password. By default, a new customer has a basic account. He can test some basic features of the KitLogger server. However, he can order a standard or professional subscription on the order page if he wants advanced features. To upgrade the account, click the order link. On the next page, choose standard or professional account. On the following page, select the subscription period. The periods available are 3 months, 6 months, and 1 year. Next, choose the payment system, to checkout or share it. What is the difference between them? On the to checkout, we must use our PayPal account, if we have one. On the share it payment system, we can use a bank card, PayPal, or other payment methods. Here, we agree with the terms of service. Click Proceed. On the Share It page, we can insert our discount coupon code. Here, we can insert our bank card data and other information. After this, we should click the Buy Now button.